So next the model is p of x by x minus a into x minus b whole square. So here one factor is repeated, that is x by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square, that is x minus 2 can be repeated twice. How we can solve this problem? So the solution is a by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square, this is equal to a by x plus 1 plus b by, so here totally three factors are there, this is 2 and this is 1, 3. So we take three arbitrary constants, one is a by x plus 1 plus b by, second one x minus 2 plus third one c by x minus 2 whole square taken as 1, and we do the cross multiplication, that is we do LCM, simplify. So we get that what is the LCM here, x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. So we get that a into x plus 1 cancel, we get that x minus 2 whole square plus b into 1 x minus 2 1 x minus 2 cancel, we get that x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c by x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square cancel, we get that c into x plus 1. So this is nothing but a by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square, x plus 1 cancel, x minus 2 whole square cancel, and we get that x equal to a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1 taken as 2. If x minus 2 equal to 0, from that x equal to 2, substitute x is equal to 2 into, so that is nothing but 2 equal to a into 2 minus 2 whole square plus b into 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus c into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 2 both are zeros, we get that 3c equal to 2, from that c, that is 3c is equal to 2, from that c is equal to 2 by 3. And next x plus 1 equal to 0, if x plus 1 equal to 0, from that x is equal to minus 1, substitute x equal to minus 1 into, so we get that x equal to minus 1, we get that minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus b into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 plus c into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled, we get this equal to a into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square, nothing but 9 plus 0 plus 0. So therefore 9a equal to minus 1, from that a is equal to minus 1 by 9. And next, in equating coefficient of x square into, so in LHS there is no coefficient x square term, so you written as 0, and if you are expanding this a minus b whole square, nothing but a square, nothing but we get x square. In x square we have only what is the value 1, so therefore the coefficient is a plus x into x into x is nothing but x square. So therefore 1 into x square we get the b, a plus b. Therefore b equal to minus a, that is nothing but b equal to minus of minus 1 by 9, we get that 1 by 9. So therefore substitute ABC, substitute ABC in 1. So we get that x by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. A value, what is the a value? A value is equal to minus 1 by 9, minus 9 by x plus 1, plus b value is nothing but a 1 by 9 by x minus 2, plus c value, what is c value? C value equal to 2 by 3 by x minus 2 whole square. Therefore we get that minus of 9 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 9 into x minus 2 plus 2 by 3 into x minus 2 whole square. Okay, so first how we can solve this problem? Just to recall, in a model 2 there is one factor is repeated, that is nothing but x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 is repeated twice. So there are totally 3 factors. This is a 2 and this is a 1. If there is 3 factors are there, take 3 arbitrary constants, that is nothing but a, b, c. A by first factor x plus 1 plus b by second factor, what is that? X minus 2 plus c by x minus 2 whole square. And we simplify, take the LCM of this one, x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square, and we simplify, we get that x into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 1. If x minus 2 equal to 0, from that x equal to 2, substitute x is equal to 2 into, we get that c is equal to 2 by 3. Similarly, if x plus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus 1, substitute this x equal to minus 1 into, we get that a equal to minus 1 by 9. And we equating the coefficient of x square in 2. So here in LHS side there is no x square term, so taken as 0. And if we are expanding this one, we get that expanding 2. This is nothing but expanding 2, that is we get this is nothing but expanding 2. So we get that a plus b equal to 0, from that b equal to 1 by 9, and we substitute this abc in 1. Finally we get this minus 1 by 9 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 9 into x minus 2 plus 2 by 3 into x minus 2 whole square.